Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable magnification on the Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So if you want to enable that and allow Windows to move with the cursor when typing, for example, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And now you want to scroll down and select the accessibility tile. And then go underneath display and select the magnification tile in here. So you can see magnification type, magnify typing. So if you want to magnify followers text as you type, you can enable that on right there. And if you wanted to enable magnification in general, you can turn on the magnification shortcut on this top option here, and then you have a little button that you can zoom in anywhere on the screen that you want. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.